Get ready to explore the incredible machine that is the human body. Let's test your knowledge right now. Which hardworking muscular organ is shown in this picture? Is it A, the brain, B, the heart, or C, the stomach? It's B, the heart! Nailed it! It pumps blood everywhere. Which organ system helps you breathe in oxygen, as shown here? Is it A, digestive system, B, nervous system, or C, respiratory system? It's C, respiratory system. Awesome! Your lungs take in oxygen. What are the hard, white structures that make up the skeletal system? Is it A, bones, B, muscles, or C, nerves? It's A, bones! Woohoo! They support your whole body. Which major organ is responsible for helping us think and process information? Is it A, the heart, B, the brain, or C, the liver? It's B, the brain! Oh yeah, it is your control center. What color is healthy, oxygen-rich human blood? Is it A, blue, B, red, or C, green? It's B, red! Nice job! It is always bright red. Which organ is the main hub of the digestive system where food is broken down? Is it A, the stomach, B, the lungs, or C, the kidneys? It's A, the stomach! Spot on! Stomach acid breaks down food. What is the name of the constant beating sound made by your heart? Is it A, heartbeat, B, pulse wave, or C, echo? It's A, heartbeat! Love it! Your heart pumps non-stop. Which system is made of muscles that help your body move? Is it A, skeletal system, B, muscular system, or C, circulatory system? It's B, muscular system. You got it! Muscles let us move. What is the largest organ on the outside of the human body? Is it A, the skin, B, the liver, or C, the lungs? It's A, the skin! Wow, it protects your entire body. Which gas do our lungs release when we breathe out? Is it A, oxygen, B, helium, or C, carbon dioxide? It's C, carbon dioxide. Perfect! We exhale waste gas. What is the liquid in your mouth that starts the digestion process? Is it A, saliva, B, water, or C, acid? It's A, saliva. Yes, it starts breaking down food. Which hard cage of bones protects your heart and lungs? Is it A, the skull, B, the spine, or C, the rib cage? It's C, the rib cage. Superb. It shields your vital organs. What is the name of the tube that connects your mouth to your stomach? Is it A, the esophagus, B, the windpipe, or C, the intestine? It's A, the esophagus. Correct! Food travels down this tube. How many chambers are inside a healthy human heart? Is it A, 2, B, 4, or C, 6? It's B, 4! Way to go! It has 4 chambers. Which blood vessels carry blood away from the heart to the rest of the body? Is it A, arteries, B, veins, or C, capillaries? It's A, arteries! Brilliant. They carry oxygen-rich blood away. What do we call the tiny bean-shaped organs that filter waste from your blood? Is it A, the kidneys, B, the lungs, or C, the gallbladder? It's A, the kidneys! Oof, tricky. They filter out waste. Which of these is the main highway of nerves running down your back? Is it A, the spine, B, the spinal cord, or C, the brainstem? It's B, the spinal cord. Amazing! It connects brain to body. What type of muscle tissue is found only in the human heart? Is it A, skeletal muscle, B, smooth muscle, or C, cardiac muscle? It's C, cardiac muscle. Incredible! It is only in heart. Which organ produces insulin to help manage sugar levels in the blood? Is it A, the pancreas, B, the liver, or C, the spleen? It's A, the pancreas. Great job! It regulates blood sugar. Which blood cells are responsible for fighting off infections and illnesses? Is it A, red blood cells, B, white blood cells, or C, platelets? It's B, white blood cells. Sweet! They fight off germs. What is the primary function of the large intestine? Is it A, absorbing water, B, breaking down fat, or C, churning food? It's A, absorbing water. Nailed it! It absorbs leftover water. Where are your red blood cells produced in the body? Is it A, in the liver, B, in the bone marrow, or C, in the heart? It's B, in the bone marrow. Smart! It makes new blood. What is the name of the dome-shaped muscle that helps you breathe in and out? Is it A, the diaphragm, B, the pectoral, or C, the abs? It's A, the diaphragm. Yes! It pulls air in. Which of these systems is responsible for transporting oxygen and nutrients? Is it A, nervous system, B, circulatory system, or C, endocrine system? It's B, circulatory system. Outstanding! It pumps blood around. What tiny protective bone protects the front of your knee joint? Is it A, the femur, B, the patella, or C, the tibia? It's B, the patella. Oof, tricky. That is your kneecap. What is the name of the cells that transmit signals throughout your nervous system? Is it A, neurons, B, platelets, or C, alveoli? It's A, neurons. Fantastic! They send electrical brain signals. Which valve controls the flow of blood from the left atrium to the left ventricle? Is it A, tricuspid valve, B, mitral valve, or C, pulmonary valve? It's B, mitral valve. Genius! It separates left chambers. What are the tiny air sacs in the lungs where gas exchange takes place? Is it A, bronchioles, B, alveoli, or C, trachea? It's B, alveoli. Bingo! Oxygen enters blood here. Which of these is the largest artery in the entire human body? Is it A, the aorta, B, the vena cava, or C, the carotid artery? It's A, the aorta. Wow! It carries blood from heart. What is the main function of the tiny blood cells called platelets? Is it A, carrying oxygen, B, fighting viruses, or C, clotting blood? It's C, clotting blood. Super! They help stop bleeding. Which organ stores and concentrates bile produced by the liver? Is it A, the kidneys, B, the gallbladder, or C, the spleen? It's B, the gallbladder. Spot on. It stores digestive bile. What is the name of the outer protective sac that surrounds the human heart? Is it A, pleura, B, pericardium, or C, peritoneum? It's B, pericardium. Ooh, tricky. It protects the heart. Which part of the brain controls balance, posture, and voluntary coordination? Is it A, cerebrum, B, brainstem, or C, cerebellum? It's C, cerebellum. Nice. It keeps you balanced. Which structure prevents food from entering your windpipe when you swallow? Is it A, the epiglottis, B, the pharynx, or C, the larynx? It's A, the epiglottis. Perfect. It acts like a trap door. What color is human blood plasma, the liquid part of blood? Is it A, pale yellow, B, clear water-like, or C, light blue? It's A, pale yellow. Brilliant. Plasma is light yellow. Which system uses chemical messengers called hormones to control body processes? Is it A, lymphatic system, B, endocrine system, or C, integumentary system? It's B, endocrine system. Awesome. It regulates body functions. What is the smallest bone in the entire human body? Is it A, the stapes, B, the cochlea, or C, the patella? It's A, the stapes. Incredible. It is in your ear. Which organ acts as a filtration system to clear out old red blood cells? Is it A, the pancreas, B, the spleen, or C, the gallbladder? It's B, the spleen. Yes, it filters old blood. What is the name of the main windpipe that transfers air to the lungs? Is it A, the trachea, B, the esophagus, or C, the larynx? It's A, the trachea. Love it. It carries air down. What is the natural pacemaker of the heart that sets the heartbeat rate? Is it A, AV node, B, SA node, or C, Purkinje fibers? It's B, SA node. Genius! It sets heart rhythm. How long does it take for a single red blood cell to circle your entire body? Is it A, about 10 seconds, B, about 60 seconds, or C, about 5 minutes? It's B, about 60 seconds. Wow, it takes 1 minute. Which of these cranial nerves is the longest, reaching down into the abdomen? Is it A, optic nerve, B, vagus nerve, or C, olfactory nerve? It's B, vagus nerve. Oof, tricky. It reaches the abdomen. What are the microscopic functional units of the kidney that actually filter the blood? Is it A, nephrons, B, neurons, or C, alveoli? It's A, nephrons. Outstanding. They filter your blood. Which thick layer of heart muscle tissue performs the actual pumping action? Is it A, epicardium, B, endocardium, or C, myocardium? It's C, myocardium. Sweet! It does the pumping. What is the primary function of the lymphatic system's thoracic duct? Is it A, returning lymph to blood, B, producing white cells, or C, filtering hormones? It's A, returning lymph to blood. Nailed it. It returns lymph fluid. Which hormone is produced by the kidneys to stimulate red blood cell production? Is it A, adrenaline, B, erythropoietin, or C, thyroxine? It's B, erythropoietin. Smart. It triggers blood production. What is the name of the fluid found in the cavities of the brain and spinal cord? Is it A, synovial fluid, B. Lymph fluid, or C. Cerebrospinal fluid? It's C. Cerebrospinal fluid. Fantastic! It cushions your brain. Which part of the brain acts as the primary relay station for sensory information? Is it A. Thalamus, B. Hypothalamus, or C. Hippocampus? It's A. Thalamus. Perfect. It routes sensory signals. What type of connection joints are found between the bones of the skull? Is it A. Suture joints, B. Hinge joints, or C. Ball and socket joints? It's A. Suture joints. Nice. They hold skull bones. What is the name of the tiny finger-like projections in the small intestine? Is it A. Cilia, B. Villi, or C. Microtubules? It's B. Villi. Woohoo! They absorb food nutrients. Which specialized cells in the skin are responsible for producing melanin pigment? Is it A. Keratinocytes, B. Melanocytes, or C. Langerhans cells? It's B. Melanocytes. Brilliant! They make skin pigment. What is the function of the bundle of His in the human heart? Is it A. Carrying electrical signals, B. Pumping backflow blood, or C. Opening the aorta? It's A. Carrying electrical signals. Oof, tricky. It transmits heart impulses. How many did you get right? Let us know below, and subscribe for more fun quizzes.